I'd still be sitting at L'Oreal. I wouldn't be traveling around the globe doing what I was born to do, impact lives and bring change. In order for us to come and empower you, it means that we are rising up women of character. We are rising up women of dignity. My name is Pandora Mabai. I am the First Lady of Change. I am a mother. I am a mentor. I don't want to speak of my education because purpose is not defined by my education. Sometimes we tend to put that prior to who we are born to be. In most cases, we find that we get lost behind the degrees, behind the PhDs, and you have not found substance of who you really are and what you are born to do. And I always say to the youth, even when you choose courses at school, it needs to be aligned with your purpose. It needs to be aligned with who you're born to be. Marketing is what I love, and I've walked the path, but it did not define the fact that I am a voice for women who are dying silent. I am born to impact lives. I am born to bring change globally. I am the chosen one by God to come and transform what the world is defining life to be, and us moving God out of it in order for us to come back to who we really are. I love the fact that I was once sitting where you're sitting. I once met a lady who spoke life to me. But there's so many people that I see when I have time to get into social media and look what people are writing about me. And I say, you know what? I'm humbled. Nobleness, I'm humbled that people's lives are impacted globally. That people can be able to write. Because you know what? I was deliberate. I made an impression to myself. And there was godliness in my life. I'd still be sitting at L'Oreal. I wouldn't be traveling around the globe doing what I was born to do, impact lives and bring change. So you need to be deliberate. Deliberate in purpose. The I, you need to make an impression to yourself, not people. Make an impression to yourself and not people, because of the things that you have already with the man or what the man has. You think you don't have to walk away. You can. I walked away. I decided I am a voice for women who are dying silent. Dignity of women. Maintaining your dignity through challenging times. Whatever challenge you might be going through, nothing will stop your destiny if you are focused. But when life takes its course, you can lose your dignity if you are not focused. The people that you keep in your life, the conversations that you are having will determine where you are going. Falling in love, the first thing I saw, he looks older. But my associations were saying, but he's got the money. He's every girl's dream. And I fell into that trap. Engaged. Fast forward, a month away from my wedding day. I said, I've achieved it all. Corporate world, I'm sitting there. I'm sitting in a mansion in Jameson. I've got a drive. I can move around the world. I was that girl, and I hate that person that I was. And then I said, and then what? That question came to me. And then what from here? And I looked and I said, is it love? But the vision that I had of a family, I was not living it. A worth of a woman and the dignity of a woman is not measured by our hair. It is not measured by the Louis Vuitton bag. Those are just accessories. It's accessories. If you have the money to buy them, good for you. But I would rather give it back to charity, to those who do not have, and empower a child. But back then, I did not think like that because I was not in purpose. I was living like everyone is living. I failed trying, then not trying at all. And you have not failed. It was just preparation for you to come back and do it better. You haven't failed. Try it. Try it. You need to believe. If it's so strong in your heart and it doesn't work the first time, I don't think Bill Gates made it overnight. I don't think Steve Jobs made it overnight. How many people didn't want Oprah on TV? How many doors closed in Oprah's face? How many doors closed at Tyler? In fact, go and Google Tyler Perry's story and listen to that man's story. Listen to his story. No one believed in him. It looked impossible. He even felt like, I think this is an impossible dream. This thing, it's not going to work. But guess what? When you watch his movie, that was just a dream. And no one believed in him. Because he kept trying, and kept trying, and kept trying. So impossible dreams, I've given you a few people that have had impossible dreams. Oprah owns TV stations. People are telling her she was too black. They wrote stories to build people.
When she was 11, she came back into her life.
They always have a way to come back.
Yeah.
And we need to forgive. And we need to love.
And she said, she keeps on telling me when they go out, she says, Mom, do I have to stay here? I said, give it time. And she hates him now.
Because we grow and
she's
get to know the
21
truth.
and she meets her for coffee or for lunch, or they go to the same restaurant, they go to the same place for coffee or tea or lunch or whatever it is. She's like, I've had enough.